In this video, I will cover the setup sheet, tool settings, and stock setup for tutorial number 9. The setup sheet shows 7 tools that will be used to cut the part. The first tool is a general turning tool, face, with an 80-degree angle. This tool will be used to face and rough the part. The second tool is a general turning tool, right turret, with a 35-degree angle. This tool will be used to finish the part. The third tool is a 1-inch diameter spot drill. The fourth tool is a 2-inch drill. The fifth tool is a boring bar with a diameter minimum of 1 inch and an insert with an angle of 75 degrees. The sixth tool is an ID groove with a minimum of 1 inch diameter at an insert of 75 degrees. This tool will be used to cut the grooves on the inside of the part. Finally, the last tool that we will use is an OD thread left large tool. The first thing we need to do is select the machine definition. To select this definition, choose Machine Type, Lathe, Default. You should be able to see the default machine definition in the Operations Manager. If you cannot see the Operations Manager, press Alt-O on your keyboard to see it. Next, select the plus next to Properties and choose Files from the list. From here, pick the Replace button and select the VTL right turret definition. Once you have selected the machine, open the file. The machine should be displayed as shown. Note that the control and post file will change as well. From here, select the Open button in the Tool Library area as shown. Select the VTL inch tools and then select Open. Now select the Tool Settings tab. Input a program number of 9 and enable the options Assign Tool Numbers Sequentially and Warn of Duplicate Tool Numbers. Select the Stock Setup tab. Under Stock, ensure that lower spindle is selected and pick the Properties button. Under Geometry, ensure Cylinder is selected. Also, make OD a value of 12.2 with a length of 8.2. Enable Use Margins. Input an OD margin value of 0, a top margin value of 0.125, and a bottom margin value of 0. Then select the OK button to exit the stock setup page. Under Chuck Jaws, ensure lower spindle is selected and pick the Properties button. Select the clamping method OD number 2 and enable From Stock and Grip on Maximum Diameter. Now input a grip length of 0.5. Also, ensure that your parameters are as follows: a jaw width of 2, a width step of 0.5, a thickness of 0.625, a jaw height of 3, and a height step of 0.75. Make the changes as shown. You can now select the OK button to exit the Chuck Jaws dialog box. Now, enable Fit Screen to Boundaries in the Display Options area. Select the OK button to exit the Machine Group Properties. You can now use the fit icon to fit the drawing to the screen. Your stock and jaws will appear as shown. In the next video, I will cover the parameters found to face, rough, and finish the part.